Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use peak display or sleep display for notifications on your Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, let's unlock the phone and let's go to the device's settings. In settings application, we're gonna have to scroll down to home screen and lock screen menu and open it. Then go to lock screen. And here, select Sleep Display. Switch this toggle to the right, and this way you will enable Sleep Display. Now to wake it up, you can either tap your display once while your phone is asleep, or you can also just lift your phone. And the last option is moving your phone, so we can instead just move the phone around a little bit and eventually the peak display should appear. Though I cannot see it. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. As you can see in this menu, you can also adjust the sleep display, and one important thing so that you can see notifications and interact with them, switch the toggle to the right. And if you want the sleep display to be constantly displayed on your phone, you just have to enable always on display instead. And this way you won't have to do anything, and always on display mode will be constantly enabled when your phone is asleep, though it will consume much more battery power. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.